friends, my name is Erica. Welcome to the USA Test Prep classroom. Today we are going to learn about respect and kindness. Respect is when you care enough to think about other people's feelings before you do or say anything. Kindness is when you show care and concern about other people's feelings and happiness. Respect and kindness are very similar. Kindness is an action word. It's something you show or do. Respect is often a perspective and an attitude you have when working with others. Let's take a look at different ways we can show respect and kindness. We are outside at the front of this school. Respect and kindness are important at school, but they are also important everywhere. At school, we can show respect to our teacher by listening when they are talking, following school rules, and working well together with our friends. At school, we can show kindness by helping a friend who dropped their papers, sitting with a friend who is lonely at lunchtime, or using kind and nice words when talking with others. Showing kindness and respect at school makes a great citizen of our school community. Sometimes you might have a problem with a friend. This is called a conflict. It's okay to have a conflict. Everyone has them sometimes. What's important is how you handle your conflict. You can use respectful words and kind actions to help solve your problem. You can listen, you can share how you feel, you can take turns, or you can ask an adult to help you. Kindness and respect isn't something we just show to people. We show it to all living things, animals too. It's important to be kind and respectful to everything. Let's head back to the classroom.
Your video will continue in a few seconds. For more videos like this, along with great standards-based instructional courses and powerful diagnostics, visit USATestprep.com to sign up for a free trial or demo. Your video will now continue.
I had a great time learning about respect and kindness with you today. Remember that respect and kindness are important characteristics to have. They help you remain a good friend and citizen. See you next time.